Toyota of Bellevue offers services and tools that make us more than a typical dealership in Bellevue. All of our salespeople are complete experts on everything Toyota.
Here's a 2016 Toyota Camry. Proclaim your sense of style and sensibility with the bold, aggressive design and exciting yet efficient performance of this sporty sedan. The roomy interior is ready for you to command with Entune audio with a touchscreen display, Bluetooth, and a power driver's seat. The rear-view camera makes parking and backing up easier than ever, while the Star Safety System is constantly looking after you.
Set it and forget it with the climate control. The backup camera gives you a clear picture of what's behind you. The heated seats keep you comfortable no matter how cold it is.
When it comes to your bottom line, nothing will satisfy quite like this Camry. Take it for a test drive today.